What did you see at the zoo, Caleb?
I see elephant.
What does the elephant say? What else did you see?
What I see? I see chicken.
Chicken. What does the chicken say? What else did you see, Caleb?
What I see?
See tiger?
Yes.
You see monkey?
Yes.
What does the monkey say? Did you see dog?
Yes.
What does a dog say? You see cat?
Yes.
What does a cat say?
No?
No. What does a cat say? Did you see snake?
Oh, yes.
What does a snake say? Did you see
Oh, elephant.
what does the elephant say? Very good. What does a duck say?
Fly.
Yeah. Where's your school, Caleb?
Bagito.
What's your school called?
7.
What did you have for dinner tonight?
7 night.
What did you eat tonight, Caleb?
Tonight.
Suki?
Sugi soup.
Yes, is it yummy?
Yes.
What did you have in the soup?
Sheep.
What did you eat?
What eat? Oh, chicken.
Chicken? What else?
Yes. Bean.
Kind
Meat? What else?
Like